Then let go of the door and let's see.
Straight, 6 feet away. Accessible bathroom.
Accessible bathroom.
23 inches away. Door open bathroom.
Door open bathroom. That's useful.
Accessible bathroom.
And that's what it is, accessible bathroom. Right. Here we go in.
27 inches away. Toilet paper dispenser. Soap. Sink/wash hand basin.
Sink and wash hand basin.
Extremely tilted to the right.
Right.
35 inches away. Sink/wash hand basin.
Okay.
35 inches away.
35 inches.
20 inches away.
Okay.
Tilted to the right.
Here we have the sink. This is excellent. Yes.
22 inches away. Air hand dryer.
A hand dryer.
22 inches away. Extremely tilted to the right.
22 inches away. Here it is. Okay.
4 feet away. Baby changing cubicle.
Baby changing cubicle, 4 feet away.
6 feet away. Baby changing table.
I know I'm in the right room because I've got a baby changing table. Perfect. And what's really good is it's mapping because you're feeling where the phone's aiming and it's telling all the details. That's what I'm looking for. To get out is the door, bathroom exit. This is the first one, I think anywhere, that is properly digitally accessible.
Click on the screen and subscribe to our YouTube channel to become part of the NaviLens community.